Very good morning, students. Last class I have explained question number 3rd and 4th, that is based on self practice 4. Now same I have to explain question number 5 and 6 of same exercise, self practice 4a. So in this question 5, just you read the question. Express the prime factorization of the following numbers in exponential form. Means we have to convert into prime. So convert into prime factorization. After then we have to convert into power form, means exponent form. Okay. So first of all we have to factorize this number, prime factorization. So just you see here, we have to subtract, we have to divide by 3. So we will write down here 3. Then it will come 9. So we have to write down here 9, again 3, then it will come 3, again 3, it will come 1. Okay, so just you see here 3 into 3 into 3 will come. So we have to write down 27 as 3 into 3 into 3. So how many times 3 is came? So 3 came 3 times. So we have to write down here 3 power 3. Final answer 3 power 3. If it will come 4 times, then you have to put power 3 power 4. If 5 times will come, then you have to put power 5. Next, you have to factorize again 400, prime factorization. So just you factorize here by, first of all we have to factorize by 2. So it will come 200, again divide by 2, it will come 100, again divide by 2, it will come 50. Next divide by 2, it will come 25, then divide by 5, it will come 5, again divide by 5, it will come 1. So after that, you have to write down conclusion. So 400 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, means 2 came 4 times and 5 came 2 times. So we have to write down like this, 2 power 4 and into 5 power 2. So this is the final answer. So we have to convert into exponent form. So this is the exponent of this number. Next one, here minus 32 upon 243 is given. Minus 32 upon 243. So in this we have to prime factorize numerator separately and denominator separately. So first of all we have to factorize 32. Just you put here minus like that only. No need to take here in prime factorization during prime factorization method. So we have to divide by 2. It will come 16. Now 2, 8 will come next to, 4 will come next to, 2 will come next to, 1 will come. So 32, we have factorized 32, so it will write down 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. So we have to write down here 2 power 5. Okay. So numerator I have converted in prime factorization, 2 power 5 is here. Now 243 is there. So we have to factorize 243. So we have to divide by 3 jump. So 81 will come, again 3 jump, 9 will come, 27 will come, and then 3 jump, 9 will come, then 3 jump, 3 will come, then 3 jump, 1 will come. Again here 5 times came. So 243, 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. You have to write down here 5 times. Then we have to put power 3 power 5. So final answer will come minus 32 upon 243. So we have to write down power and exponents minus 2 upon 3 whole power 5. Because there is also power 5 and there is also power 5 and minus is there. So we have to take minus inside only because there odd power is there. So we can take minus inside. It will come answer minus only. Okay. Next one. So you have to follow this type of process. First of all, factorize. If fraction is given, we have to convert that fraction into exponent form. So first of all, factorize numerator and denominator separately. Then you have to put the power. Okay. Next, and if minus is there, so just you be careful. If power is odd, then you can put inside the power minus, and if power is even, then you have to leave as it is minus outside only. Okay. Next one. Here express 625 as a base 5 and as a base 25. So first of all we have to factorize 625 by prime factorization. Same multiple we have did here. So 5 divided by 5, 125 will come. Again divided by 5, 25 will come. Again divided by 5, 5 will come. Then divided by 5, 1 will come. So here 625 we have to factorize already. So it will come 5 times. So 5 into 5 into 5 4 times, not 5 times, 4 times. So we have to write down in power 5 power 4. So first answer is 5 power 4. So base is 5 and power is 2. Okay, next we have to make base 25. So if you want to factorize again 625 directly by 25, you can factorize, because 25 is 625 only. So 2 times will come. So we have to write down here 625 is equal to 25 into 25. So 2 times 10 means 5 power 25 power 2 will come. So final answer is 25 power 2, means base is 25 and power is 2. So exponent is 2. So this is the final answer. Now in question number 6 and question number 7, in same types of question is given. In second part also, in B part, this type of question is given. Whatever number is given, you have to make the exponent and given according to the base, which type of base you have to make. Either maybe sometimes question will ask, you have to make base 25 or make 6 like this. So you have to do factorization like this only. Okay, that's all.